Oh no, Mr. Pilot, we are going to crash. Pull up. Pull up. Oh no. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Yay, yay, front row seat. Hey, Mr. Pilot. Pilot, 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 pilot. No, 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 boo-boo. Can I sit on your lap? What does this do? Hi, set up. Pilot, help me. Here is a view for you. La 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 blah 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 blah.
Shut up, kid, stop your dancing.
Okay, pick the pilot's nose, ha 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 ha.
Stop digging in my nose. Sit down now.
Is the seat taken?
Not on me.
Hey, Mr. Pilot, look outside. Hey, Mr. Pilot, bunny ears. Oh, he looks cute. The people on the plane goes up and down, up and down, up and down. All through the skies. There is a stain on your uniform.
Shut the hell up and go back to your seat.
Bye-bye.
Finally. Now to drive in the sky.
Oh, Mr. Pilot. Guess what I did to the plane?
Tax it. Come back here. Oh, mayday, mayday.
I think I'm going to poop.
We